Hello, my name is Nicole, and I was going to get with Maya and Elizabeth, and we had to pick three jobs of video production, and I chose makeup artist. It's an artist whose medium is the human body, applying makeup and prosthetics for theatrical television, film, fashion, magazines, and other productions. Their salaries are about $41,000 a year. You will need to be a licensed cosmetologist to have this job. You can be self-employed or work for agencies which will organize the work for you. In a college, you may offer a program for this job would be a Vita Cosmetology School.
My name is Elizabeth, and I chose producer. A producer oversees each project from beginning to end and can also be involved in the marketing and distribution processes. Producers work closely with directors and other production staff on set. They make $71,000 yearly. You need to have a bachelor's degree, but a fine arts degree is also useful. The job outlook is 3%, which is slower than average, and colleges that offer programs for the job are Kaplan University and Full Sail University.
Hey, my name is Amaya. The job I chose was a director. A director is a person who directs the making of a film. It generally controls a film's artistic and dramatic aspects. Their salary is $71,350 a year. For this job, you will need a bachelor's degree. The job outlook is 3%, slower than average. Colleges that offer programs for this job are Arizona State University, Chapman University, Columbia University in the city of New York, Cornell University, and more.